Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to know what are the things that are covered in this small crash course. The first thing we're going to learn is what is an R programming language and why you should learn R programming language. And then we're going to know how to install RStudio so we can practice our statements on it. And then we're going to have a quick overview of RStudio, how to navigate the RStudio. And then we're going to learn what are variables and what are data types and what are operators and what are loops and what is if statements. Now this course, I made it for people who are complete beginner in programming language, especially in R. So if you have never programmed in R or you have never programmed at all, this course is suitable for you. But if you have already programmed in Python or Java or any other course, on any other language, then maybe this course is not for you because you already know what are variables and data types and operators. So this course is for people who want to learn R for data science and will learn R for data analysis, who they want to learn R for statistics, and they want to learn in R in general, and they want to pursue their academic get masters and PhD, and they want to use R instead of SPSS to conduct some statistical analysis, whatever. So this course is for you. But if you have already have a background knowledge in any other programming language, maybe this course is not for you. So this is a small crash course. The upcoming courses will be released on Udemy and Skillshare. So keep checking my Snapchat. It's going to be appearing anywhere here. So you can check all the updates there. And you can check my Udemy profile and the link in the description below. I hope you enjoy this course. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.